तो अभी मेरे पेपर पे मेरे 10 एडजेक्टिव्स हैं, शार्प, हाइपर,
टू द पॉइंट. हाँ.
एंड देन पेठे के कैरेक्टर्स. अब
Okay.
अपने आप ही डिफरेंसेस होने लगे ना.
बराबर.
तो अब मेरे को मेरा शार्पनेस डाउन करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज दिस वन इज ऑफ बीट.
That's an interesting exercise. तो सामने सामने एक खुले चिट्ठे पे पता चल जाता है.
ब्रिज बनाना है.
Wow. और कुछ.
But that way there are a lot of exercises like
Hello everyone, welcome to VR Art, a podcast for performing artists by performing artists. आज का एपिसोड डील्स विद ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. कैसे एक कलाकार एक कैरेक्टर को पोर्ट्रे करता है और कैसा उसमें ढल जाता है in a way that you can't find who was the original person. Exactly. So we have Sudeep Modak, who's a phenomenal actor, and उनका recently released movie on Amazon Prime, which is Pune Highway, where he's played cop. आप उनको देखोगे और खुद जान जाओगे what a master of transformation he is. So let's dive into the podcast to get to know the process of the transformation and the characterization and to know a lot more just on VR Art. Let's see. So today we have Sudeep Modak, who is a phenomenal actor and he's an expert in transformation. Yes, जैसे कि हम कहते हैं characterization, जो बहुत सारे किरदार निभाते हैं, वो he just dives into those characters and makes you feel like, oh my God, I didn't know Sudeep until I knew it was him. Welcome to our podcast. Thank you for finding time. And I am so excited. I have so many questions to ask him. But before that, I will let him speak of his latest venture, which is now live on Amazon Prime. So please, a few words on it.
thank you Raj for that wonderful introduction. I'm humbled and I'm so happy that we are doing this together because people don't know but we have worked in the past.
Yeah.
And you have been the most amazing co-actor, dancer in the team. So I'm very happy that we're doing this together. And yes, my film just released last Friday on Amazon Prime. And I'm thoroughly didn't expect the kind of response we're getting. So many people watching it, so many people talking about it, and they're enjoying the mystery part of it.
Yeah.
And I play the investigative cop who's sort of looking for the killer. So I'm getting a lot of great feedback from all sides on Instagram, social media, personal messages. So I'm sort of enjoying that space right now.
So the name of the film is Pune Highway and it's now live on Amazon Prime. You should definitely check it out because you won't recognize him when you see him in the movie. He's playing a cop, Mr. Pethe.
Yes.
So, oh my God, his transformation is so crazy. And today, let's dive into that process of transforming because I feel, Sudeep, every performing artist, bhale wo dancer ho, actor ho, musician ho, singer ho, he has to sort of dive into a certain character to play the part which they are playing. So, सबसे पहले मैं ये आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि ये कॉप वाला सुदीप से कितना दूर था कैरेक्टर?
बहुत ज्यादा दूर था. आई थिंक बहुत अलग टाइप का ये कैरेक्टर मुझे ऑफर हुआ एंड आई वाज नॉट रियली रेडी एट दैट टाइम. So the way this happened, just to take you through quickly in terms of how this character came to me first. So Rahul Dakunia and Bugs Bhargav Krishna have directed and co-written the film. And I had just before being offered this film done a film called Pigeon with Bugs Bhargav. And on that film, we really had a great time. Bugs was enjoying my performance and I was enjoying working with him. So we really built a bond. And so when this movie came up, Bugs recommended my name to Rahul, and I didn't know about this. So Rahul walked into the set of Pigeon one of the days, and Rahul is in my eyes, he's a legend because I've grown up watching his plays, looking at the ads of his plays. He's made so many successful plays. I'm Not Bajirao, Class of '84.
Oh, I'm Not Bajirao was his.
Yeah. He's the guy who launched Baman and. So the pressure was high when I saw him on set, and I'm like, I didn't know that the reason why he's on set. He was trying to find the spaces to come and chat with me, and I was finding it very interesting that this huge theater veteran is wanting to have a conversation with me, know me more. And then I started getting a sense, and I started joking around that I want to be cast in your play. I didn't know what this was all about. So I'm like, now look at the next shot. I am going to be giving my best performance and all that. So later on, a month later, Bugs sort of officially sent me a text saying, this is the film.
Wow.
and we want you to play the main investigating cop in the film. And I was like, wow, this
Yeah.
is amazing. And we had an online reading
Okay.
because it was just post COVID 22, around 20.
Acha, it was shot back then?
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
okay.
23, end of 2022 and beginning of 2023.
Acha, okay.
When this reading happened, I remember it got over and we discussed, and they were like, "Did you guess the killer?" And I was like, "No, I didn't." And I wish you would have stopped at the point before you reveal the killer, because then that would be my organic investigation into who it was. Reading got over, and I went to Pooja, my wife.
Hmm.
I'm like, Pooja, this is the first time after a reading I am feeling genuinely excited, because this is one of the prominent characters who's holding the story together,
Hmm.
who's actually going to sort of take the film along.
Hmm.
Of course, I mean, you have Jim Sarb and Amit Saad, and it's a film about the friends. But this is also an investigative mystery, equally as much as it is a film about
Definitely.
the friends.
Yeah.
So being offered this part itself was extremely exciting, intimidating at a certain level, because on film I haven't played a part this elaborate.
Hmm.
So that's how the journey started. But transformation bit started a little later, when we started with the workshops of the film, and we had a couple of cast readings where everybody was present. And so after that they sort of workshop with every character individually. तो मेरा जब workshop हुआ, that's when I realized that Bugs and Rahul felt कि ये थोड़ा young लग रहा है. They want a certain gravitas and a certain depth to the cops world, and
Got it.
you know, he's on the brink of you know, at the end of his career.
Okay.
And he's not got that big case yet, so the stakes
Are high
are high for him,
for his personal achievement.
for his personal achievement, and he's more desperate to sort of crack this case. Because of those reasons, they felt that what can we do to make Sudeep look older, look you know, have that sort of
Hmm.
hera.
Hmm.
And that's where this whole transformation started gradually. I should have brought my script, because my script is almost like a painting, because with the notes I started writing what they were saying. Rahul was saying, go slow, take all the time in the world, create your own rhythm. So, because you know, you come with a certain training and learning, and all of that had to go out of the window, and I had to train myself freshly for this particular part.
So you had to unlearn
A lot of things, and then repetition of those things happened. So, first workshop, you know, the speed, the rhythm of the character happened. I tried that, and we did a couple of exercises. Then that I sort of brought into the whole performance. Second workshop, Bugs was like, can we do something to your body?
like the physical
the
attributes of it.
physical aspect. Because also, you know, the body speaks a lot. If you have seen the film. So in a master shot, it's not just the helplessness is not always through the lines, or the desperation is not through the lines. It's about the posture, the way the character stands.
Hmm.
That makes him look so bleak and meager in front of a Jim, who's so you know, sturdy and well built.
Yeah.
And it should also feel like this guy will never be able to solve this mystery. ये बेचारा ये इतना हाई प्रोफाइल केस कहाँ से सॉल्व करेगा?
Got it.
It should be unexpected
Hmm.
in the end. तो वो सब में Bugs only came up with this idea that can we try something? You know, he is also he has arthritis, the character, on script in the film that shot didn't make the cut. It was edited.
Edited. Huh.
But the arthritis bit, I was also trying to figure out कैसे that element of arthritis, the stiffness, joints में stiffness है, and that's where Bugs came up with this idea that, you know, what if you have sort of a stiff jaw? You know, so then we tried that.
Wow. Did you crack it right away, or it took
So
time?
Bugs showed a couple of interpretations of what he exactly means, and I'm like, okay, let me try my version of this, and then I have a rehearsal. I'll probably share with you that
Yeah.
the video of that rehearsal.
Sure.
The day that jaw was cracked.
अब कला रहे हो क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन पे आ रहे हो क्या
हम मेरा पोर्टफोलियो
मेडिकल एग्जाम में बुला रहे हैं
आ जाऊंगा बोलो एड्रेस भेज दे
अरे सर मैं आपको आगे पिकअप कर
सुबह 7 बजे आ जाना बोल
हाँ
और आप गिफ्ट लेके आना तुम
ठीक आपको कुछ दांत में कुछ दर्द है क्या?
Oh fuck, I can play around so much then.
मजाक मत कर यार।
Sir,
And then it's almost like the moment we started having a conversation, it was not a scripted. It's just that I was trying the jaw and they were listening to me. And there was this pause and rhythm. And then this automatically started happening. It was not planned because the jaw once it comes ahead and all of that started.
Wow! Oh my God!
So they started enjoying it. I started enjoying the whole thing. And it gradually, sort of layer by layer, started becoming a different character altogether.
Okay.
And the last layer to it was the costume trial, where again Bugs came up with this idea that let's bloat this guy. मतलब हारा हुआ आदमी है, मतलब अभी तो नहीं पर बहुत शराब पीता होगा, कुछ भी खाता होगा. Frustration has led him to that,
Yeah.
lack of sort of physical
Hmm.
mobility. Age भी आता है उसमें से.
And arthritis again.
And arthritis. So the idea was to make him as sort of suffering, bechara kind of a.
Wow.
वो पेट आया and the hair. That was Rahul's idea. Rahul was literally, he had a barber on set and he's like, kato.
So that was a wig or your hair?
No,
Colored.
my hair.
It was your hair
Yeah,
colored.
Colored.
Oh my God! Wow.
They would take me to to one corner, काट के ये चलेगा सर. Rahul नहीं, ठीक है, सेम ही लग रहा है और काटो.
Last में इतना
इतना बाल रखा है ना, अपने क्या कर रहे हैं मेरे साथ. I'll tell you another. So Sudeep Nayak is a college friend and he works with Bugs and Rahul now. They sort of are partners in the same company. So Sudeep is the one who actually introduced me to Bugs, and Sudeep was not present. He was not well at that point. He met with an accident during these workshops. And all these things that they are doing to me or they are asking me to do, I am doing it with all the conviction in the world, but I don't know how the hell is it going to be perceived outside of our
Yeah.
bubble. So I was really missing Sudeep on set, and Sudeep landed up on set on the first day of the shoot.
By then, all the prep was done.
It was all done.
Everything was locked.
And he was my man on. I've already had a very good relationship with him before the shoot. So I didn't know. I wanted his opinion desperately. I sent him a voice note, made some calls before we got on set, but he's like, don't worry, kuch nahi, संभाल लेंगे. So when he landed up on the set on the first day and he saw that entire look and the whole rehearsal, and I went separately to him and I said, "क्या लग रहा है भाई? I'm very tensed." यार बहुत normal, बहुत regular, बहुत believable लग रहा है. Just go with the conviction. That sort of just gave me that final push, because not that I didn't trust Bugs or Rahul. I was anyway going to do it. But when your person with whom you have a rapport, who's protecting you on set, वो जब आपको एक final push दे देता है ना, then somewhere it is, because see, Sudeep and I have grown up together watching the same kind of films, having discussions. So we know what we mean by, if I don't hit the right note, I end up looking very silly. And people might, and that it's going to be out in the world. You don't want to make a fool of yourself.
And it's a thin line.
It's a very thin line.
Very thin line.
Transformation कर लिया, but वो believable नहीं किया, तो caricature लग गया, या
Execution, हाँ.
That gave me that final push. But yeah, coming back to the workshops, that's where the directors played the biggest role in sort of showing that belief that I will be able to pull off such a major transformation. But the genesis of this transformation, I need to tell you where it came from. So as a child, I have always enjoyed these kind of films the most, where you don't know. So when you're a child, you don't know those particular actors. So 9th, 10th में मैं जब देखता था, I saw this film called Monster when I was in grade 9 with Charlize Theron.
Okay.
She plays this bulky, frustrated, aggressive woman. You should watch the film. And I didn't know who Charlize Theron was before I saw the film. So after watching the film, the impact was so huge that मैं जाके actor कौन है ये? She got the Oscar for the best actress that year.
The film is Monster.
Monster.
Okay.
And I saw her, and she's a gorgeous looking lady. Yeah. She is a stunning looking person, and that woman undergoes this sort of 360-degree transformation. And in the other direction, you've seen a lot of people beautify themselves.
This is unbeautifying.
This is unbeautifying and looking as horrendous as possible to play a part. So she's put on the weight, she's done things to her face, and those days prosthetics was not that good.
Out there, yeah.
So it was a lot of her and the basic makeup that was available, or Daniel Day-Lewis in My Left Foot, Pankaj Kapoor in Maqbool.
Yeah.
I couldn't sleep
That's
for
good.
3 nights thinking about ये कैसे कर लेते हैं यार, मतलब how is this, what level of skill and craft would be required to achieve something like this,
And dedication.
and dedication. And I'm not a trained actor. मतलब I didn't go to a formal training school. All my training has happened on floor. तो मुझे वो process discover करना, I was very hungry to do something like this. Whatever slightest level, I'm not saying I could achieve what even half of what Charlize Theron or Pankaj Kapoor Saab did, but at least to attempt something which is a little different, offbeat. So that was my genesis of these transformational sort of characters who shock you when you see those performances.
So right now, sort of what I'm understanding is you dissected why it happened
Hmm.
and in a way how it happened,
Correct.
the transformation. My question to you is कि कौन सा कैरेक्टर देख के आपको लगता है कि इसमें ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की जरूरत है, इसमें कैरेक्टराइजेशन की जरूरत है, इसमें नहीं है.
Hmm.
So how do you decipher that? Because some why couldn't in this movie, if Pune Highway की हम बात करें, why couldn't Pethe be just a normal Marathi cop
Pop, yeah,
with his close to his retirement
correct.
and with his age whatever he was? Why couldn't he be this? Why did he have to be something like how you portrayed? What was the need for this?
So again, a lot of that comes from the directors, the writers. It depends on how they are visualizing this character. It's a lot about rhythm, is what I've realized, and that came from Rahul a lot. So Rahul's worked with a lot of ace actors, whether it's Rajat Kapoor or Baman. So he's seen their process. And Bugs too. Both of them had a very specific that this guy's got to bring a certain thera to the film. The film is about murder, friendship, and there's a lot of aggression, and there's a cat fight in the film between the two girls, and the friends have a lot of there's an accident of one of the friends, and
Yeah.
तो इतने सारे high voltage drama में how do you want this person to place in that whole rhythm, position in that whole rhythm? He's got to pull the speed down.
Got it.
No, क्या हुआ? Sort of he's giving you a breather.
Got it.
So that's the visualization that came to me from them particularly. That's where the transformation sort of became important. And secondly, again, complete credit to Bugs, because he genuinely believed that I could actually do this convincingly.
Got it.
You need some tremendous amount of trust.
And he was all in from the get-go.
He was all in from the get. उनका ऐसा था कि भाई सुदीप को अब करवा लो. Trust my word. मैं हूँ सेट पे, मैं करवा लूंगा. You don't have to worry about that. And that, I mean, how much ever gratitude I express to Bugs would not be enough, because I'm telling you, Godfather इसी को कहते हैं. We talk about nepotism, we talk about, it's people who show trust in your talent, who help you take the next level. And that's what Bugs has been for me up till now. I've worked on a couple of films with him, I've done a couple of ad films with him, but he's like a father figure on set. He will bring out those things in you which you are also not aware of. So he sort of guided me, and Rahul, both of them sort of guided me. Rahul showed those aspects that he's seen
Veterans do.
Also in Pigeon, I worked with Rajat very closely, Rajat Kapoor. So I saw how Rajat approaches a character, and he's the guy who's done Byomkesh Bakshi, and he also has done a lot of these characters where he's transformed himself or his look and all that. So वो सब put together, it sort of helped the confidence that the director showed, and the fact that the script needed that juxtaposition to set a particular rhythm, that led to the requirement, and of course the fact that Bugs believed that I could do it.
Wow.
It requires that one person
To have faith.
to have faith.
And this was your debut in a Bollywood movie, so to say?
Yeah.
Yay!
I shot a couple of films before this, but thankfully they didn't release.
Thankfully. अब release हो गई तो?
अब रिलीज हो गई तो फिर पता नहीं, अब कुछ कर नहीं सकते उसका.
Our topic for today is transformation and characterization. So let's dive a little into आपने एक्टिंग के बारे में बताया, ये प्रोसेस होता है, ऐसे करते हैं. सो हाउ इज दिस प्रोसेस और द होल एक्ट ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रेलेवेंट इन अदर एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स? सो लेट्स से, जैसे कि मैंने बताया, डांसिंग, सिंगिंग, म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, सो उसमें कैरेक्टराइजेशन का क्या काम होता है?
My limited understanding of these art forms, one needs to really deep dive to. But I have seen, more than the individual transformation, it is your riyaz. What I'm trying to say is, there are a couple of classical singer friends of mine who are very good. And I've seen them that when you talk to them, normally they come across as a very normal person. But when they sing, you can sense divinity in them. It's the same thing कि आप यहाँ बैठे हो, मुझे पता नहीं है आप, मुझे पता है आप अच्छे डांसर हो, but it is a transformation, no? When
Correct.
suddenly you get a stage and you start dancing, आप एक अलग person बन जाते हो, मेरे लिए. Similarly with singing or any other art form, what happens is when you have somebody who's really soaked themselves in their craft, बहुत रियाज किया, बहुत सालों तक प्रिपेयर किया है, तो वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑर्गेनिक
हो जाता है.
हो जाता है.
और वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो गया, उसमें भी कैरेक्टराइजेशन का उतना इंपॉर्टेंस होता है कि ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अलोन इज इनफ?
I won't be the right person to answer that because I'm not a dancer or a singer. So if they are using some techniques of characterization within that, but off the hat, I think there would be. No, we all talk. For example, dance. The same dance step has a purpose. It could be to impress, to seduce, to charm,
बराबर.
to create high energy. So depending on the purpose, you are characterizing that same step.
गॉट इट.
ग्रेसफुली करना है जिससे लोगों में क्या भाव
जगाना है आपको. गॉट इट.
based on that. So I think that every artist has to go through certain basics of
कैरेक्टराइजेशन.
depending on the Natya Shastra theory of rasa and bhava. So क्या रस आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो जिससे क्या भाव ऑडियंस एक्सपीरियंस कर रही है.
इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर? अभी मूवी शूट हो गई, कैरेक्टर आपने इतने दिन से जो प्ले किया था, सो डू यू कम बैक होम आल्सो बीइंग पेठे?
That you'll have to ask my wife. No, but that's a very interesting question because with this particular film, I think I shot for around 25 days in a 40-day schedule. But I think I was sleeping as that person. I was eating unknowingly. Yeah, मैं कोई conscious choice नहीं कर
लाइक
रहा था.
पेठे.
Like पेटे. Unknowingly. Again, I'm not saying boasting कि मैंने plan किया था कि I'll live like that. And I'm not saying मैं पेट लगा के घूम रहा था या
Okay.
jog था बात. But it was subconsciously happening in the sense that I am home, I am rehearsing the lines for the next day. तो वो जॉग के साथ ही कर रहा हूँ. एंड सबकॉन्शियसली मैं सोने के टाइम पे वापस रिहर्स कर रहा हूँ, तो जॉग के साथ कर रहा हूँ, तो वो सब फिर सोते वक्त वो रिदम प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, तो आई एम लाइक आराम से कर, बैठ आराम से. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट इज सबकॉन्शियसली हैपनिंग. आई एम नॉट सेइंग मुझे लिव करना है कैरेक्टर, पर मुझे प्रिपेयर करने में वो 40 दिन मुझे वो मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा.
गॉट इट.
बिफोर
पार्ट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, नॉट लिविंग इट, बट रियाज था वो.
कपड़े पहनने के बाद मैं अपनी लाइन मेकअप रूम में प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ. मैं फिर उतने में कोई आ गया, हाँ एक चाय भेजना ना प्लीज, इट्स
उसमें निकल
गया मैं. सो दैट वे इट वाज, आई वाज थ्रू बीइंग इन दैट कैरेक्टर फॉर दोस डेज. बट फिर आई रिमेंबर द बोट राइड फ्रॉम मड आइलैंड बैक टू वर्सोवा on the last day of the shoot, where I literally like I felt like कुछ एक ये ना बैग उठा के निकाल रहा हूँ बोझ, and now I feel lighter. मतलब mentally I felt like that.
Obviously you didn't wear the bag, but mentally
it was like क्या weight है जो हट गया है पता नहीं, but I'm feeling much lighter in the body, much lighter in the mind, and I'm feeling like 30 किलो अचानक से कम हो गए.
Mind over matter.
हाँ, and also another thing I'll tell you, the learning on set that happened, in those 40 days, because मैंने theater बहुत किया हुआ है 30 साल से, पर फिल्म के मामले में this was my first proper role. तो मुझे उतना ही मजा आया फिल्म करते वक्त जितना मुझे थिएटर करते वक्त आता.
That's a good thing, great thing.
Absolutely. And those 15 years when I was looking for work और ऐसे टाइप के रोल्स नहीं आ रहे थे, so there was almost a distinction in my head कि थिएटर अलग होता है और वो मजा आपको आ ही नहीं सकता. But after doing this film, I'm like
वो मजा आया.
The child in me sort of suddenly,
मतलब it's possible.
it's possible.
वो दरवाजा खुल गया.
बिल्कुल. और बहुत सारी लर्निंग हुई यार, मतलब the way Jim approaches his scenes, the way Amit approaches his scenes, they've done so much more work in front of the camera. Jim से मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी, you know, we see all the qualities of performance, but we don't realize what goes behind it. Like Jim ने कितना कमाल का one shot दिया है Rocket Boys में. I've sort of seen it and messaged him after watching it. But the fact is there is a method to it. और जब आप बहुत ज्यादा काम करते हो ना तो ये ऑर्गेनिकली मेथड डेवलप होने लगती है. लाइक आई हैड अ टेंडेंसी टू डू, एक दिन में आपके पास जो भी उस दिन का लॉग होता है उस हिसाब से 6 सीन आ गए.
हम्म.
तो 6 के 6 सीन में रिहर्स किए जा रहा हूँ और अगले दिन के 6 सीन भी आपको पता है.
हम्म.
सो टोटल मेरे फिल्म में 34 सीन समझो. सो आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली जंपिंग फ्रॉम वन सीन टू सीन 13 टू सीन 17 और सब जम्बल्ड अप केओस है मेरे दिमाग. जिम से मुझे ये पता चला कि इतना आपको, एंड नॉट दैट he was sort of teaching me anything, but just being around him, sort of
Observing
him gave me this key. He's during the breaks on the same day, he starts rehearsing the next day because he's already prepared for that day. तो वो दिन के उस दिन के 5 सीन उसने प्रिपेयर कर लिए हैं. अब वो ब्रेक्स में सिर्फ अगले दिन के जो 3 है 5 है 8 है सीन्स वो उसी पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं while leaving also, घर जाते वक्त. So what happens is your head is not jumbled with 15 things. You're not creating chaos in your head.
But that goes to show how well prepared he would be for the same day ka scenes, that he's taking the liberty in between scenes, in between shooting,
Absolutely.
to learn the next scene.
The next, and that's where performance comes. See, if you're thinking of your lines on the day of the shoot, when the camera switches on, आप पकड़े जाते हो. You can't think about the lines. The lines have to be second nature to you. You have to just think about the performance. Okay, how to approach this. So that also helped. Being around Anubhav's quirks, seeing Amit. Amit is such an organic actor, and he's very emotionally charged. That is a very unique aspect of Amit Saad that I discovered. There are people who discover emotions through the lines, and there are people who discover the lines through the emotion. He feels कि ये angry scene है, तो वो पहले anger experience करेगा, फिर अपनी लाइनें आने देंगे.
Got it.
So that is
Reverse.
So that is Amit.
To the norm. So you were talking about the process of how to get into it and get out of it, the everyday riyaz that goes into it, in a way that it becomes a muscle memory. तो आप lines के बारे में नहीं सोच रहे, lines अपने आप ही आ रही हैं.
Correct. And this habit goes back to college. I remember being in the loo and being in a lift and being wherever and never really being present in those spaces because I'm in my head rehearsing my line. Because I used to feel probably ये मैं, you know, I take more time to memorize lines or whatever, but it's not just that. It's because I want the lines to be second nature. Like a dancer would, the step has to be in the body, no?
Muscle memory.
Yeah,
वरना
muscle
आप
memory.
step के बारे में सोचोगे तो perform कब करोगे?
कैसे करोगे ना?
Same applies.
Same logic.
For our viewers who are pursuing any sort of performing arts, what are the ground rules of putting on a character which is applicable throughout the performing arts realm? एक तो आपने रियाज बोल दिया. Are there anything, do you need to have like an idol in front of you or ideal image or poster or whatever? I don't know.
That's a good, some people like to have that image कि when you read a script you realize कि एक image बनती है organically. I think Kevin Spacey or one of the Hollywood actors had said this, that when I hear a script, the image organically gets created in my head, and then my whole exercise is to
Reach there.
That is one, but there are a few exercises that I learned in my
Could you share some,
journey.
if you don't mind?
No, of course. One was, define the character in 5 adjectives. So once you've read the script, Pethe ko, for example, if you have to take. Therao would be one of the things, keywords. Slightly offbeat. Like, in a conversation like a normal one, he'd be a little off. होते हैं ना कुछ characters.
You will know this when you watch the movie if you haven't. I know what exactly you're talking about, but उनको शायद ना समझ आ, movie देखो समझ आ जाएगा.
Correct. तो थोड़ा सा offbeat है, थोड़ा सा innocent है. उसको दुनियादारी समझ में नहीं आती. So this way you can go on describing your character like I did with the Therao, the offbeat and the innocence. And again, it's the same thing. Now you describe yourself in equal number of words. What am I? I would define myself as sharp.
I as in Sudeep.
Sudeep.
Okay.
तो अभी मेरे पेपर पे मेरे 10 एडजेक्टिव्स है, whatever it is, sharp, hyper, blah 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 blah.
To the point.
हाँ.
हाँ.
And then पेठे के कैरेक्टर्स.
Okay.
अब अपने आप ही डिफरेंसेस होने लगे ना.
बराबर.
तो अब मेरे को मेरा शार्पनेस बहुत स्लो डाउन करना पड़ेगा because this one is off beat.
Wow. That's an interesting exercise. तो सामने सामने एक खुले चिट्ठे पे पता चल जाता है.
ब्रिज बनाना है.
Wow. What an insight. और कुछ.
But that way there are a lot of exercises. Like backstory का एक exercise होता है. That gives you a lot of insight. So a lot of times the script is not telling you everything about the. It is, but not in dialogues. Lines में वो लिखा नहीं रहता. So in between the lines क्या होता है? Subtext क्या होता है?
Got it.
So, for example, Pete's relationship with his children, with his wife, is not explored in the film. But I, as a person, had to explore it in terms of what the backstory would be. So, based on those particular lines, अभी इसकी बेटियां इसको nail polish लगाती है, वो बेटियों के बाल बनाता है.
That was a nice scene. Yeah.
So, in that sense, you know that he likes to contribute at home as well. That's another side of his personality. कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज तो माँ क्या कर रही है, माँ ज्वेलर के साथ बैठी है, देख रही है कुछ तो, और ये बच्चों के साथ है. So he is very much involved in his kids. So basically what I'm trying to say, backstory create करने के कुछ exercises है. This hot seating that's commonly used.
Hot seating is?
Hot seating is where in a theater class you're made to sit on a hot seat and anybody and everybody can ask you questions about yourself. Where were you born?
About your character.
About your character.
Okay.
What are your likes, dislikes? What is your relationship with your children? And as simple as it looks, this exercise gives you so many, insights into your relationships.
Because then you make them on the go, right? वो इतना सब questions तो
सोचा नहीं
predict नहीं कर पाएंगे. हाँ.
सोचा नहीं होता. But वो इतना ऐसे हवे में से कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता.
Has to stay relevant.
Yes. On what basis, from what point in the script are you deriving this characteristic in your character?
Got
मैं बोल दिया कि मैं 8 साल की उम्र में पेठे वाज अब्यूज्ड. क्यों बोल रहा है भाई? कुछ भी बोलेगा, मतलब डीप कैरेक्टर बनाने के लिए कुछ भी ऐसा. तो उसका कोई लॉजिक, कोई रेफरेंस,
some dialogue or something that he does in the script has to have relevance.
Some behavior, some relationship with, like he is taking interest in his children means that it's not the traditional patriarchal household.
कि मैं पैसे ला रहा हूँ,
मैं पुलिस ऑफिसर हूँ, मेरा एक अथॉरिटी है, मैं घर पे आके रिमोट टीवी देखता हूँ as you said, और मेरे लिए खाना परोसा. It's not that house. Maybe he cooks, he could cook, है नहीं कहीं स्क्रिप्ट में. बट इसमें से मैं डिराइव कर सकता हूँ ना कि अगर बच्चियों के बाल बनाता है तो उसको बहुत प्यार है घर वालों के लिए, ऐसा कुछ शायद गंदी वाली बनाता है, मतलब nobody enjoys it.
He makes it out of love.
But he is very into that way.
Wow.
Another characterization, the 5 W's: why, what, where, when.
The WH questions.
WH questions. The director is not going to create the character for you. Director is going to give you briefs. कि ये ऐसा चाहिए मुझे, slow चाहिए, ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए. Edge of his career है, frustrated है, ये है, पर क्यों है वो? And then how do you sort of design the whole thing into the performance? ये आपको ढूंढना पड़ता है.
Wow. So that was literally like a guidebook that he shared with us right now, and I am so excited to make small snippets out of this and just enlighten everyone with this process of yours. So thank you very much, firstly, for sharing this wisdom, sharing this skill, because that's all we are here for. About the whole purpose of our podcast is that who are phenomenally skillful like you, performing artists,
thank you,
they can share their wisdom and advice and tips and stories and anecdotes. So
you're not a bad actor yourself. It's just that the world needs to see you more.
Yeah. So anyway, I have a set of rapid fire, which we do in all our episodes.
Okay.
Quick answers and concise answers.
I'm still in पेटे mood, so थोड़ा slow हो सकता है मेरा.
Let's get into Sudeep mode. Okay. Let's try. When do you know that you found a character and it's no longer acting?
For Pete, it was after the interrogation scenes. After a few scenes have gone by, a couple of days of shoot, you realize whether you have got it or you are way away from it.
Common mistakes when preparing to transform?
Trying to do the big things rather than the smaller things. मैं ये करता हूँ, ऐसे करता हूँ, look ऐसा होना. Small things is what is the access point to your bigger picture.
How has transforming helped you in real life, in understanding human psyche, or maybe getting out of a tricky situation with a cop, a real life cop or something?
I don't think I'll use my acting skills in my real life. Otherwise, it will mess it up for me. I keep it separate. I've never
But
tried that.
understanding people, maybe, or
Absolutely, absolutely. I think it's the reverse. It is the real life that helps you in your performance, rather than
Acha.
the performance that
it's outside into
spills
inside.
Yes.
Okay. And we have Mythbusters.
Hmm.
Every episode, there's a popular notion regarding that topic
Okay.
that we like to
Okay.
break.
Yeah.
For a transformation, you need to lock yourself up in a room and do things like method acting, maybe, or something like that. Is it required?
I don't. Maybe some people might need that, but it's impractical. You have to earn a living. You have to keep your relationships, and everybody is not probably privileged enough to just lock yourself for a month and not think about anything else but the character. So maybe good for those people who have that privilege, but at least I have never tried it, and I don't think that is the only way.
And that means a lot coming from you, because you will know why. Because in the movie Pune Highway, you cannot recognize Sudeep. It's only Pethe that you will recognize. And coming from him, that it's not required for you to lock up in the room, and wo jo method acting ko leke pura hota hai na, the hype that's
Correct.
created, like, I'm doing this, I immersed myself into the character and stuff like that. So that's not required.
I don't think it is. Maybe for certain characters you might need to. I've not got those kind of characters yet. अगर उस तरीके का कुछ हो, जंगल में अकेला, आइलैंड पे अकेला खो चुका है, the loneliness, if you have to access those level of emotion, तो शायद required हो भी, but for this particular character I don't think I
Got it. All right. That was all for the rapid fire. You did amazingly well as expected, and you gave us even more insight than the previous round. So thank you, and definitely I wish you luck
Thank you
for
so much.
many such beautiful roles, and we get to see you more often on the screen.
Hope so
And
too.
we shouldn't be able to recognize you in the next one also, like we didn't in this one. So
There are so many that the offshoot of characterization we should talk about. Like some of the screenings we had,
Hmm.
people don't know that I'm like this. Like I'm not 45-year-old guy like Pethe. Like, or so the ones who are watching me for the first time, they don't realize that there's been a transformation at all. They feel कि it's a guy who is like this, who has been cast into a character like this. उसका है मोटा है or whatever. Body shaming नहीं करना अभी, but उसको पेट है और वो उसका jaw ऐसा ही है. Like some of the screenings when I got out of, people didn't, they walked past me. They like हाँ.
They loved the character, but
But
walked
they
past
didn't realize I was the one. तो वो मतलब तारीफ मिल ही नहीं रही है यार इतनी मेहनत के बाद. One of the guys was like दूर से वो मुझे देख रहा है. फिर पास में और मेरे जॉ को स्टेयर कर रहा है. And then all his questions are directed at the jaw. आप ही थे क्या पुलिस वाले? गेटी G7 में फिल्म लगी थी and I went to watch it with my friend. और अचानक कुछ प्रोजेक्टर खराब हो गया, 10 मिनट का ब्रेक हो गया था. तो one of the people in the theater, I was confident by then, कोई नहीं पहचानेगा. अभी हो गए, मैं
Used to हो गए.
कोई नहीं पहचानता, चल रहे तू करके फ्रेंड को लेके गया. And suddenly this guy is walking up to me and saying, and this is 30 minutes into the film projector में, आप वो कॉप हो ना? I was caught unaware and I'm like नहीं. और देखो मेरी एक्टिंग स्किल्स. बोला यार बता दो ना अगर हो तो, मुझे तो लग रहा है आप ही हो. And then I had nowhere to go. I said हाँ मैं.
Wow, who is this guy? Well caught, well caught. बारीकी से देखा
हाँ
आपको.
हाँ बिल्कुल पकड़ लिया उसने. तो मैं
Wow.
समझ नहीं आ रहा था खुशी मनाऊं कि क्या करूं, एम्बैरेस हो गया मैं वहाँ.
What are your thoughts on कि अगर हम कोई characterization play करते हैं, you completely change, you are 100% the other character, Sudeep है ही नहीं उसमें. Do you agree with something like that, or it's a different version of Sudeep in a different universe?
I don't believe कि you can totally take yourself out of you. ऐसा नहीं हो, खाली ग्लास का मतलब वो नहीं होता, but ग्लास तो वही है ना. तो हो आप कहीं ना कहीं तो रहना पड़ेगा आपको. But I'll tell you where this penny drop happened for me. Like Sudeep Naik, the friend in college that I am talking about, who was the associate on this film and who also has written the song. उनसे मेरी बात हो रही थी after the first schedule of the interrogation scenes. Actually, we started bang with the interrogation scenes.
Oh, we're like right
in the center of the film.
हाँ.
तो वहाँ पे तो कोई गलती का मौका भी नहीं है. अगर you get that wrong, it becomes
वो टेम्पो अलग सेट हो जाएगा.
तो वो 5 दिन होने के बाद सुदीप ने मुझे वो schedule wrap के बाद हम लोग we sat for a drink and he was only asking यार तू comfortable और ease के साथ कैसे कर पा मतलब I worked with him in his short film. I was playing a character, so he knows me very well inside out. But for him also it was a surprise कि इतना सब baggage और ये पेट, ये look, ये चश्मा, ये सब के साथ तू ease कैसे ला पा रहा है? So that is something I realized कि see what happens is in front of the camera when and this is something we should try. आप है ना अपने आप को चेहरा कवर करके मास्क लगा के या बाल ऐसे completely आपके नहीं है टोपी पहन लो
अलग हेयर स्टाइल
completely अलग कर लो ऐसा करके कैमरा ऑन करो और perform. You will feel like this is so much easier. I am not Raj. I don't have to be conscious कि XYZ देखेगा पहचान लेगा मुझे किसी को बेवकूफ बनाने में बेवकूफ से ज्यादा मुझे किसी को कन्विंस करने के लिए ये टूल्स मुझे हेल्प कर रहे हैं तो इट इज ईजियर टू डिसॉल्व योरसेल्फ इनटू दैट कैरेक्टर व्हेन देयर इज सो मच ऑन यू सो वो जो गेटअप होता है
दैट हेल्प्स
that helped me a lot. So the moment the camera came on internally, I was so convinced कि ये सुदीप है ही नहीं, तो मुझे वो डर ही नहीं था.
got it
So then I was feeling free to use a certain voice, a certain expression, वो जो offbeat rhythm था उसका.
which probably Sudeep wouldn't use ever
अगर मैं ऐसा हूँ ना तो मैं I won't be able to convince the world कि
got it
ये offbeat मतलब मैं पकड़ा जाऊंगा फिर वो बोलेंगे कि
acting कर रहा
acting क्यों कर रहा है.
है interesting so self का notion हटाना है basically self image का imagery
So ये getup helped me.
got it
This whole jaw, this chashma, this beard, the hair, all that just made me believe internally that अभी क्या डरना है अभी you're not conscious of yourself.
wow
Do whatever you want to. You're deciding the rhythm of the character.
and in your case of the film as well because
Yeah.
it's all centered around your investigation oh my god guys y'all should watch this film and especially if you've seen this episode and then you're watching the film for the first time तो और भी मजा आएगा and if you've already seen the film then you already know what he's talking about and you can apply it right away like tomorrow if not today so thank you very much Sudeep
Thank you.
I
thank you.
think we would meet soon for
I'm so
another
glad
episode
we did this because of the fact that I wanted to talk about all of these aspects, but I wasn't getting the right platform, and the fact that I got to do this with you is even more sort of fun to do.
it's our pleasure
But I
totally
couldn't
pleasure.
open up with somebody else who I don't know. Maybe I wouldn't have been able to do it the way I did.
I'm glad you shared your insights. They are hugely valuable. मैं खुद ये episode बार-बार देखूंगा. Not
Wow.
for the release, but even much after that for
Yeah.
my craft and my bettering of the performances. So thank you for your time.
Thanks a lot.
Thank
Thanks a lot.
That was an amazing episode with Sudeep Modak where he gave amazing insights into how to portray a character and it reaffirms what Anuj said a few episodes earlier, how one character is not different but just a part of you. So if you got any value out of this for your performing arts journey, please do like, subscribe and comment on what you felt and also it keeps us motivated to bring out the best of the performing arts that we have to offer. So tune in, press that bell icon and do subscribe to VR Art. We'll see you soon.